Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you on how you can disable the guest mode on your Chromebook device. So if you have been using Chromebook for quite a while, then you probably have realized that there are two methods or two modes in the Chromebook device. The first is the sign-in mode where you have to log into your Google account, but the second option is using the guest mode where you don't have to log in, and basically a lot of the tracking features are disabled, and also the functions are limited. Even with the limitation, I think the guest mode are useful in some situations. But one thing, there are a few reasons that maybe turning off the guest mode is a great idea. If you are using a Chromebook then with a lot of people, then I think it is a good idea to let people sign in with their own account, and it's going to give a sense of accountability. So if there's something wrong or there's something changed on the device, then you know who is responsible for those changes. And guest mode in this case is not very helpful, and that's why you might want to disable it. So I'm going to show you on how you can disable the guest mode, and this video is going to be based on the blog post tutorial article that I made a few months ago about the very same topic. So let's get started with the tutorial. First, of course, you have to open the launcher menu and then navigate to the settings. And after that, you will see the setting page, and you want to click the menu that says privacy and security. And after that, click manage other people. Now here you can see there is an option for guest browsing, and you can disable the option by turning off the feature. Now right now I cannot click on this option at all because I'm on my secondary account on my Chromebook device. If you are the owner or the main account of the Chromebook device, then you can obviously disable this option. But in case you are not the admin of the device, then you can ask the admin to turn off the feature for you. So after the feature has been turned off, you can actually start signing off. You can sign in out, and then you can check whether or not the welcome screen still offer a guest mode. Usually it's not going to offer the guest mode and guest browsing anymore after you disable the feature. So that's basically it. That's how you can disable the guest browsing or the guest mode in your Chromebook device. If you found this tutorial video to be helpful, then please consider subscribing to this channel. It will really help the channel out, and I'll see you on the next tutorial video. Take care.